Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge the DJI Osmo 360 using a USB-C cable. Obviously, you'll need a charger, but you can charge your DJI Osmo 360 directly with USB-C. Now, as you can see, I have my Osmo 360 here with its silicone lens protector on. I'm going to leave that on for this video. You don't need to make any changes to that to be able to charge your Osmo 360. So the good news is that if you're looking at the DJI logo, on the left hand side of the device you have a little port. Now, to open that, you need to slide the little knob on the port towards you and at the same time pull down. Not too strong, but just enough to open up the port. And you can see it has a little bit of waterproofing to make sure your device stays nice and dry in this part of it. And then you have a USB-C port, which quite happily takes even a chunky charger cable, like this 100 watts Kododo one that we reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, at this point in time, my DJI Osmo 360 is fully charged, so it won't be charging at the moment, but once it's plugged in, you see that it will be drawing a little bit of power, and that's how to charge your device. Now, if you have the Creator combo, you'll likely have a separate docking charger for multiple batteries. You can do it that way as well, but for most people in the short term, that's an easy way of charging your DJI Osmo 360. Open the port at the side by pressing down the knob, pulling it towards you, and sliding down at the same time. Open up, charge, and then close it, and you're ready to go on another adventure with your 360 camera. Now, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. We also publish some travel videos, or travel-related videos, such as the one I published last night, which was a walk taken with the Osmo 360 through the centre of Edinburgh during the festival season. So that's a good chance for you to check out 360 video on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel and also see how the DJI Osmo 360 performs. Anyway, if this video made sense to you, if it was useful to you, please do leave us a like. And if there was something wrong, if you just want to give us a row, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from me.